Hello everybody, today I will introduce you how to register account Copytrade Binance on Kopify system. You can get the register link on this video description. So you fill your information into the form. My form is error because my email is registered. So I change the email. Still error. The Telegram ID you can be blank and fill later. So my phone number has already registered. I need to change the phone. And you please sign up. It is success. Thank you for watching video.